I attended 3 Asian Games. I scored 250 medals. I got Rajiv Gandhi Award, and Dasra Award and everything. My name is Sound Ruben. I work in the PML. After 10 years, I sacrificed in the sports only. So, this KGP is mini England. It's nothing but British period. They are nothing but the mini England. So many sportsmen, sports personality, they are born and brought here. One of the women is that Kenneth Paul is the expired. I am an Asian player. So, this type of sports, the sports means it's a universal motive. Athlete means those who are fit for the next activities, that person is called athlete. It's a Latin language. So today, this type of the sports started in Kenya very long back. There is no any sports and anything else. But I started in my factory, we are given that sports and activities and everything. In the police department also, Prem Chakar Meena period and as well Bhaskar Rao period, no tobacco day. We are connected to sports. I represent the sports in police department also, annual sports. College and GBT college and everything, I'm going for the chief guest also. So today, this type of the sports activity started in the KJP. I'm very happy about that. I'm very happy about that long distance is there now. This is my kind request and as well as my suggestion also. Those who are coming for the sports, whether they are the children age-wise, they are the 3.5 kilometers or 5 kilometers or 12.5 kilometers or 28 kilometers or marathon 42.19 kilometers. More than that kilometers for 42.19 kilometers, that is more than that marathon. Marathon is nothing but one person name, madam. That is Greece and Athens. That's a war. In that war, one of the Greece is Athens win that war. Based on that one person, those who are in war field, that person ran away in the Egypt to the Athens to tell that victory. After telling the victory to the end, then he expired. Because of that name, that person is named called Marathon. That is why the marathon, the name is come marathon race.
And that distance what he ran was
42.195 kilometers.
That's why.
What is the kilometers plus 195 meters?
Yeah.
That is marathon. That's more than marathon. You are going for the 50 kilometers.
It's not ultra.
More than that marathon, I am telling. That is ultra. Okay, that is my request, because that extra race, extra going for the kilometer, must ensure the medical fitness is essential.
Yes.
Without that fitness, without that any person, now the period is the person is not in the virtual condition. They are not with the nature. In older period we are with the nature. Now we are living in the against the nature. The children also, they are eating that some of the food and all, height, weight, eat and everything. What are the differences there for the person? So you have to concentrate that with medical test, after the fitness test, you conduct that. I am also cooperating that with success for this meet. Thank you very much.
She check their regular what are basic fitness test, that will be there now. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟು, ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಬ್ಬು ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಪ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಕೊಡೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದೇ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ 20
Medical department is still long.
Yes.
It is very essential, madam, because of it's a long distance. Those are ready for
we are responsible for the runners now. So we see to that everything is taken care. Already in DC meeting, district SB part was there.
Is there anything to discuss more? Because we understood this marathon is around 3 kilometers to 5 kilometers.
Okay.
And they are planning for ultra marathon, that is more than
More than
10 kilometers, more than 25 also. That is some limited people will participate.
Madam, we are targeting close to around 2,000 runners. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾ ಓಡೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 400 ಜನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ 25, 50, 70 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಸೇರಿ. ಅಂದರೆ 70. Yes.
From the beginning, they are into the marathon event, and now they have started the booking also. I think in KJR they may cooperate with them more than 3,000 to 5,000. I think so, because we are involving the students, PU college and degree college.